How to unblock the Amazon Pay Later account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to unblock your Amazon Pay Later account, here are some of the steps. First and foremost, open your Amazon Pay from the main menu. For this, you might have to go to Amazon account and select Amazon Pay Later to view your transaction and repayment history. After that, you have to go to the menu and scroll to settings. At the bottom, you will see the option of customer service. Request the assistance such as talk to us or select the Amazon Pay Later. Make sure you have ensured all the dues are cleared, as an unpaid balance can prevent account access. Then after, you can connect with the customer service on how can I repay for Amazon Pay Later. Then click on continue to customer service. Provide your information such as phone number and tap on call me now to request the assistance. After speaking with the customer service, refresh the Amazon Pay section to confirm if your account is unblocked. And this way, it will help you unblock your Amazon Pay Later account. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.